Hello everyone, welcome to Richard Chinese language. Today, I'm going to talk about two very confusing Chinese words, and they are 又 and 在. 又 and 在. And both of the words are in HSK Level 3, Lesson 8. So today, let's talk about it. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the word 又. 又. Oftentimes, we use 又 before a verb. And oftentimes, 又 plus a verb means the action has already happened, and it happened again. So 又 is usually used in a past tense or in a perfect tense. Let me give you some example sentences. 他昨天买了一条裤子。他今天又买了一条。他昨天买了一条裤子。他今天又买了一条。He bought a pair of pants yesterday. He bought another pair again today. And here we can see 又 is used before a verb, 买了. And it is used in an action that has already happened, and it happens again. Another example sentence. 莉莉早上喝了茶，她下午又喝了一杯。莉莉早上喝了茶，她下午又喝了一杯。Lily drank tea this morning. She drank another cup again this afternoon. Okay, once again, 又 is used before the verb 喝了. And also you can see, oftentimes we use 又 plus a verb for something that has already happened. So here's a tip for you. 又 is used for an action that has already happened. Okay, so we talk about it over and over again. So hopefully you can understand when we can use 又 in a sentence. Okay, and right now let's talk about the other word, 在. 在 also means again, and it is also used before a verb. But 在 plus a verb means the action has not happened yet. And oftentimes, 在 plus a verb is used in an imperative tone or an intention. Let me give you some example sentences. 家里没有鸡蛋了，我们再去买吧。家里没有鸡蛋了，我们再去买吧。再 is used before a verb, 去买。And you can see here, we haven't bought the eggs yet. So here, we cannot use 又, we use 在 because this action has not happened yet. Another example sentence. 他不在家，我晚上再去找他吧。他不在家，我晚上再去找他吧。He isn't home. I'll visit him again at night. And you can see here, 在 still is used before a verb, 去找. And I haven't visited him. tonight. So this is the action that has not happened yet. So you cannot use 又, you have to use 在. Okay, so here's a tip for you. 在 is used for an action that has not happened yet. Okay, my friends, hopefully you can understand the difference between 又 and 在. And right now, let me give you some quizzes. Let's go. I'll read all the sentences once, and you can check the answers in the description box below. A. 我去过那家饭馆，明天想去一次。B. 老王昨天迟到，今天迟到了。C. 你吃太少了，吃一点吧。D. 这杯咖啡真好喝，好想喝一杯。E. 你昨天没写作业，今天怎么没写？ Okay, my friends, that's all for today. I hope you know how to distinguish the two words, 又 and 在. And this is my new YouTube channel, and hopefully you can like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. 下次见，拜拜。